Hi everyone! Today I'm testing out Builder Gel that I ordered from Amazon. Welcome back. I've wanted to try this out for a while. When I saw it on a video, I ordered it from the Modelones shop. So this is Builder Gel. It's a thick self-leveling gel. You can use this to make your nails longer or to create a thicker nail. It's also good for covering up chunky glitter and to embed things like polymer clay and other small gems or things like that. It's good for covering up dried flowers too. First step is to prep the nail according to the directions. I gave this a wipe with alcohol and then roughed it up a bit. I'm putting on some Modelones UV glue. It needs to cure under a gel light. Then, while it is still wet, I'm going to put on some polymer clay embeds and some pink glitter. I'll leave all of the links in the description. If you use my affiliate links, it really helps keep my channel going so I can make more videos. I love this unicorn glitter. It's holographic and so pretty. When I have it how I like it, I'm going to cure it for about 45 seconds. Now it's ready for the Builder Gel. Take a good amount of the Builder Gel so that you have enough to cover the nail, but don't take too much. You can go back and add more if you need to. And remember, it doesn't get hard until it cures under a light, so you have lots of time to get it right. I'm just making sure that the whole nail is evenly covered. I did have some time to practice before I made this video, and I'm not a professional or anything. I just like trying out nail art supplies. So I'm kind of going up and down to smooth it out. I just want to make sure all of the glitter and embeds are covered. It takes some practice to get it right. That's why I like to use these nail blanks. Okay, now cure for 1 minute. Now that it is totally cured, grab your nail file and file it down until everything is nice and even. I'm just being careful not to take off too much, or I'll start filing into the embeds and glitter. Another way is to use your electric file and take some of it off that way too. Just make sure your dust collector is on. Then apply a no-wipe top coat in either matte or glossy. I'm doing glossy here. And give another cure for 60 seconds. And that is all finished. How do you think I did? I'm pretty happy with it. The more you practice with it, the better your designs will get for sure. I really hope you liked my video. Please subscribe if you like this content and want to see more like this. Have a good day, and I'll see you soon.